Hey guys, welcome back to another Merrily on Time watch reviews. I am Chris and I unbox and review budget watches for the next few videos in my old location of my church office. And I've received some collaborations. 3 companies have reached out to me and are giving me 4 watches, 2 from Addies Dive, 2 different Addies Dive companies, a Tandorio and a Welly Merc. I am doing an unboxing of each of these, and then I'm doing a review video about a week later. And so today we're looking at a Tandorio. Tandorio make some really nice pieces. This is coming directly from the Tandorio website, which I will link in the description below. This has been given to me to do the review, but no restrictions as far as what I'm able to say about the watch. And if this watch is something that interests you, there is a 10% discount code in the description below, Merrily10, that you can use toward purchasing the watch. It does not give me any kickback whatsoever. It's just a benefit to you, given to me by the owner, Joe, who runs the website TandorioWatch.com. Again, everything will be linked in the description. This that he sent me is a very cool turtle diver, a titanium turtle diver, and I think it's a really interesting watch. So let's check it out right now. So just want to give you a quick overview how we are going to do these collaborations. This video is dropping on Wednesday, September the 25th. The next unboxing will be on the 27th on Friday, then on Sunday, then on Tuesday. 4 watches, those 4 release dates. What I want you to do as we go through this is let me know what your impressions of the watch are. I will include some of your comments in the full review video. Cardboard box, Tandorio on the box. It's just some simple packaging. I'll also be doing the up close and personal on the unboxings, just basic specs, price, take you to the website, etc. The full review will be shortened as a result of kind of doing 2 videos. So it's a 2 for 1, if you will. And so you got a little, just a foam covering there. You get a booklet, which is just your basic instruction manual, and you get the watch. Now this watch is very cool, and this is the Tandorio Turtle Titanium Diver. And as you can see, I cut myself, yeah. So this is the Titanium Turtle Diver. I chose the dial that's a meteorite style, I guess you could call it, dial. And yeah, as you can see, this one looks quite nice. So we're gonna spec it out. I'll give you the basic specifications, and I'm just gonna let you see the watch here. And please comment and let me know what your first impressions of the watch are. Obviously, this is a turtle case, so similar to what you would find on a Seiko Turtle Prospects watch, I imagine. And also similar to some of the Captain Willard cases. I'm not exactly sure what one it is, but it's got a nice brushed finish on, or bead blasted, I should say, finish on all of the titanium aspects. And as you can see, you get a silicone strap with it as well. And so let's get Super Cali out, and we're gonna spec this out, and then we'll get to the up close and personal. Just give you some montage, some shots of the watch, and hopefully you'll see enough to let me know what your impressions are. So we got a 44 millimeter turtle case. The thickness with the case back, screw down case back there, 13.5. It does protrude on the bottom of the case a little bit, so 13.5 millimeters thick. Your lug to lug is a really nice compact. If I can get it here, here we go. The lug to lug is going to be 47 millimeters. Your lug width is 20 millimeters. You do have a sapphire crystal covering the dial, 120 click unidirectional bezel with a ceramic bezel insert in there. 200 meters, I believe, is the stated water resistance on this one. And so let me take you to the website now first, actually, and just show you the other variants. And again, if you like this one, 10% off code is going to be offered, Merly10, and you can get the watch of your choice, one of the variants, for 10% off. Again. Okay, friends, so here we are at the website, and you can see that this is $138 US, but with the 10% discount code Merly10, you can get it even lower. You do have a different variety of options. You have a blue, no logo. Now this does say black, but the owner is going to correct this on the website. You also have a black, no logo. You have a white dial, no logo version. The version that I'm showing you today, the meteorite style dial, and there are also some mother of pearl options as well. Really nice looking dials, and you can get each with or without the logo, whatever your preference might be. Very nice looking watches, and I can tell you this one here is indeed a solid watch. So let's get up close and personal with it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will use some of your comments in a section that I'm calling the reviewers' viewers. Say what? So some of those comments will be shared in the full review video. In that video, I, of course, will share my likes and gripes, but that will be for then. For now, let's get up close and personal so that you can have a better look at this watch and let me know what you think in the comments below. Here we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed that up close and personal, guys, and here is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. So stay tuned in about a week's time for the full review of this one, which will include some of your comments from this video, and I'll let you know what my likes and my gripes are. I'll spend some time with it, of course, but it is a fantastic offering from Tandorio. Again, you can get yours for 10% off by using the code MERLY10. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.